Okay, are we going that way that you wanted to go?
Doesn't matter.
Okay, you gotta follow me if we are. So we gotta go down this way to get over there.
Quite bumpy.
Okay, and then it's just down this.
Whew. Okay. Man, it doesn't seem as steep from the lift, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, careful of the rocks there, dude.
Me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like right in front of you.
Yeah, no. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
I'm here. Ooh, Jesus. Yikes.
Okay.
Where'd you go?
You see me? Where are you?
No, I don't see you.
Don't come up here, but just so that you know where I
Still
am.
don't see you. Oh, now I see you.
Come down here and scout this out for me. See if I can get down this way.
Oh boy, alright.
Because there's no tracks, which makes me a little worried. And I don't know this spot too well.
Should I go this way? Oop. Okay.
Come down right where that girl is. And then, is there any drops that I'm going to have to go off here?
No, I think
Like,
you should be okay.
Should I go straight that way? Okay. That's pretty good. Oh, I could go there next time and go off that. Okay. So I think it's like right here. Is that where it is? The rock? Oh, am I like right over it right now? Okay. Ooh.
Ah!
Probably a little bit better on the other side of me by those, like getting in here, and then you can cut into this. Because like right here looks pretty good, you know? What do you think of that?
Okay.
You want me to go first?
I'm nervous. Ah!
You just gonna go for it like Devin's method? You wanna go first?
I think I'm gonna like go right there.
Yeah. I'll watch it. See? That wasn't bad at all.
Thank you.
You wanna watch me now?
Nope, I'm fighting for my life, so you can do your own thing.
Okay.
Should we be cutting over, right?
It is probably easier over there. Yeah. Yeah, let me scout that out for you quick. Yeah, if you cut over right, I think that's going to be easier for you.
Alright.
If you just go straight across into that open, right over there, that's going to be the easiest, I think.
Okay.
Because there are some rocks down in here. Yeah, I think that's going to be the easiest for sure. And I don't think that's too bad, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good work.
Thank you.
I'm gonna try and find something over here. There's usually some good stuff down in here. There you go, look at you. Cruising. Good work. Ooh. Ooh, this looks a little sketchy.
Yeah, it does.
I'm gonna hit this. We're just gonna hope that there's no rocks under there. Okay?
Oh boy. Okay. Ooh, nice. The snow is just so soft here.
Yeah.
In Utah.
The snow is really good. I'm gonna come back over to you on that side. I think there's usually something good over here. Oh yeah. Check this out. Watch me go off these little trees here.
Oh, I see you. Tree skiing.
Yep, exactly.
That was you, tree skiing right there.
Oh,
What?
that's a big one, but I think that's landable.
Oh boy.
I mean, a few people have done it. I just don't want to land short. Might do this. Yeah, that's totally doable. Alright, you want to see me do this?
Sure. Ooh!
Oh!
You okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. It looked like you were gonna save it.
Yeah. Then there's always another good one over here that I hit. Just, I don't know how big it's gonna be right now with how much snow we've got.
Oh, I know where we are.
Yeah. Yeah, it's way bigger than it usually is.
Oh God, that rock?
This, yeah.
Oh boy.
This is probably better right here. Yeah. This right here. Landing looks decent.
Nice.
Woo. That's what I like about that section. There's just so much stuff to hit.
Yeah.
Whew. Where are you?
I'm in the trees.
Oh, there you are, down there.
Ooh.
I'm coming for you. I'm coming to get you.
Woo!
Why do I always do stupid things?
You what?
Why do I always do stupid things? Oh.